Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to green screen a video. So first, we're going to want to tap on the video we wanted to green screen, and we're going to want a background for our green screen. So we're going to search up background, nature, so we can have a background for the velociraptor. So I choose this one. I like this one a lot. Let's add this clip right into here by dragging it. Now we have a background. Let's try to resize it just a bit. There we go. And let's put the velociraptor over the first layer. So now we have two layers. Next, all we have to do is remove the background from the velociraptor. To do this, all we have to do is click on the video, go to basic on video, go to remove background, and then go to chroma key. Select that. And it will automatically have a selector tool. So you want to use the selector tool and go on the green. Once you've done that, you want to increase the intensity by just a bit so all the green is away. Don't increase it too much because it might end up ruining the image or video quality. Once we've done that, we can resize it. There we go. And now let's play the video. Alright guys, that is the end of the tutorial. If you really liked this and it helped you, please like and subscribe. Anyways, I'll see you later.